Want to turn your ideas into reality faster than ever? In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025, lightning fast, ultra precise, and built for creators who demand more. Whether you're a hobbyist, designer, or pro, these printers redefine what's possible. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the 5 most impressive 3D printers of 2025, perfect for pros, makers, and innovators. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra 3. Starting off strong with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version, an absolute beast that brings multicolor printing to the next level. Product info. Multicolor FDM printer with smart filament system. Blazing fast 600mm per second printing speed. Build size? 250 x 250 x 260mm. Precision engineered Creality motion system. Seamless connectivity and easy setup. Reviews say creators love how intuitive it is, with users calling it the best all-around multicolor printer under $1,000. Pros: lightning fast printing performance. High color accuracy and smooth gradient blending. Smart calibration system. Great balance between price, speed, and quality. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 2. Up next, meet the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, a large format printer designed for serious projects. Product info. Massive build volume. 500 x 420 x 420mm. Max speed up to 500mm per second. Smart auto leveling and app control. All metal structure for stability. AI monitoring system for precision prints. Reviews say users are amazed at how quiet and reliable it runs even at high speeds, calling it a true workhorse for big projects. Pros: extra large print area. Stable high-speed performance. Smart app for easier remote control. Excellent value for professionals. Number 3. Sovol SV06. The Sovol SV06, one of the most reliable and affordable 3D printers for creators in 2025. Product info. All metal hot end for high temperature materials. Planetary dual gear direct drive for smoother extrusion. 25-point auto leveling system. 32-bit silent motherboard for ultra quiet operation. Open source firmware compatibility. Reviews say the community loves its consistency. Many call it a Prusa level printer at half the price. Pros: excellent print quality for the price. Whisper quiet operation. Easy setup for beginners. Robust metal construction. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra S1. The Anycubic Kobra S1 combo, combining ultra-fast speeds with high-precision printing. Product info. Creality stable structure for smooth high-speed motion. 600mm per second max printing speed. Multicolor printing capability. Ultra-quiet operation. High-precision build for intricate designs. Reviews say users are impressed with its silent performance and professional-grade detail, saying it's the best printer for those upgrading from a basic model. Pros: super fast and accurate. Multicolor printing flexibility. Creality design for stability. Great for small businesses and advanced users. Number 5. Anycubic Photon. And finally, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra AE version, a next-gen resin printer designed for unmatched precision. Product info. 7-inch 10K high-definition LCD screen. UV resin printing with ultra-fine detail. Rapid curing time for faster prints. Sleek and compact design. Perfect for models, jewelry, and prototypes. Reviews say users praise its incredible detail and accuracy, calling it a dream machine for resin artists and professionals. Pros: stunning 10K resolution for tiny details. Compact and premium design. Fast resin curing process. Ideal for artistic or professional use. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our top 5 best 3D printers of 2025. From multicolor monsters to ultra-detailed resin machines, there's something here for every maker, artist, and innovator. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech reviews and creative tools. Thanks for watching, and remember, in 2025, if you can dream it, you can print it.